Good afternoon, people. Welcome back to my channel. Now we are in Chandigarh city. Not going anywhere. I mean, it's a rest day today, but we are just going to a Triumph showroom to have some general checkups on our bike. City is good. Traffic is okay. It's little sunny, but yeah, there is a breeze which is accommodating the hottest part of things. And yeah, so nothing much, just casual going around, giving the bike to the service, and we just go to Decathlon and a few other places and see what we get, and from there again come back to room and rest for the day. And from tomorrow we are leaving from here to Chandigarh. Sorry, from Chandigarh to Srinagar. You see a BYD, that's a Chinese vehicle, which is I just saw one in Chandigarh itself. Idira signal alli idiya Bangalore alli ನಾನು ನೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದಾ. ಓ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅದು. Okay. It's not humid, right? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಿಸಿಲಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಹ್ಯೂಮಿಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Oh, ಹೌದಾ? Good evening, guys. You can see the bikes are cleanly washed, air filter changed, and all the small hits and bits was all clear now. So our bikes are ready to go. The two Tigers from Bangalore are ready to rock and roll to Ladakh from tomorrow. And the time now is almost 8 o'clock. These guys are very cool. Krishna Triumph from Chandigarh guys are very cool. Mr. Jatin, who is always helpful. Jatin was good, and yeah, that's it. So leaving now to Roadrunner, where we just have to buy some stuffs. From there we're heading to our hotel. That's about it. That's it. Now he's checking the throw of the fogs, which we did. So here's Mr. Jatin, you can see. So let me show you guys. If anybody wants to come into Krishna Triumph in Chandigarh, please do come. He's always good. Yeah, he's leaving because it's been already late. Because of us, he was there for 2 hours. Yeah, we'll rock and roll. क्या इशू कुछ नहीं है ना? आरपीएम अभी थोड़ा ऊपर रहेगा. ओके. जैसे 15-20 किलोमीटर चलाएंगे वो नॉर्मल चलाएगा. ओके. बॉडी क्लीन करा. वो ईसीएम को समझने में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. ओके. थैंक यू जतिन. हाँ Right, right. ऐसे जाना है रोड रनर, रोड रनर नहीं हमारा बंदा है उधर. Back again to Life of Cheeky. Now we are leaving to Srinagar from Chandigarh. I know it's late because we had some issues on our bike, so we had just got that rectified and we're leaving now, and yeah, we'll take some time to get out of Chandigarh city now. It's too hot. It's almost 37 degrees is what showing in my vehicle, but it feels like 40 degrees. Yeah, my bike says 35. Yeah, mine is showing 35.5, but you know, the actual temperature would be more than 35. Beautiful city, nice roads, nice wider roads, normal traffic. I would not say that it's a hectic traffic, but it's a normal traffic, and not much of two-wheelers is what we saw. I mean, there are two-wheelers, but not much as Bangalore. But you see a lot of cars. Yeah, there are separate lane for two-wheelers where the car will not enter. You know, they follow the street lane policy. You know, on the after yellow lane, you know, you shouldn't go there because that's a cycle line. If you go, they'll fine you. See, it's like an MG road for us. The same way, what I feel is like it's like an MG road. And there is no names for the places here. They've given us numbers. They're giving us numbers: sector 1, sector 2, sector 3, like that. So that's actually very easy to remember, and in case if you want to give the address, it's very easy to give the address saying, hey, I live in sector 14, sector 15, like that. Nice city though. You can see all big houses. People are so sweet. People are so sweet. And what else can you expect? Yeah, the only thing is the climate is little harsh. Apart from that, everything is fine. So the tentative time is what showing is 12:15 at night that we reach Srinagar, the place where we booked. But we are planning to beat the time and go little early. Let's see how that goes. Straight. Yeah, that's about it. So we are as per plan. We stay tomorrow. I mean, today we are staying in Srinagar, and from there we are hitting to Leh. That is, tomorrow we are hitting to Leh, and we might stay for 2 days in Leh to get adjust to the climate. Yeah, that's all the updates what I have. Beautiful city, man. We don't believe that, you know, we can't believe that we have come so far on a bike. That too in a span of 2.5 days. The actual right time. Circle right. We're going on that route. Thanks to me, man. We're going on dam. Wow, super, bro. ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೆಂಗೋಗ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು? ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೋಡ್ ಇದೆ. Fucking sweating like pig inside. Right. ನಡೀರಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಂ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟು. ಬರ್ದೆ ಅವ್ನು ಬಂದ. ಹಾಂ, ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದೇ ರೋಡ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ನಾವು. ಹಾಂ, ನೈಸ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. Extreme hot. Welcome back, guys. Day 4. Going from Chandigarh to Srinagar. Hectic jam on the way from Rupnagar. There was some accident happened, and there was jam for almost 2 hours on the heat or on the sun. No shade, nothing. All our energy got dehydrated, all got energy sucked by the sun. So we were completely exhausted a few minutes back, and now we are heading back on the road to Srinagar. I know it's not safe, but we have removed our jacket and we are just riding on only the t-shirt just for some until we reach the main highway, because it's too hot. So we just want to get some good air. So we're going in this way. You can see my hands, no jacket, no gloves. You can see here I've taken out, if you can see. So this is how we ride. You don't see any no sun, no rain, no climate weather, no cold, nothing. Keep on riding. Not only me, all my fellow riders have removed their jackets just to beat the sun. So it's not that we lost the energy, but we are completely dehydrated. See, there's one more guy in KTM. So there's one more Jingchak vehicle coming, full on ambulance feeling. Ayo, hogi, it's saying. He's also removed his jacket, going on a base layer. Oh, one of the good, beautiful roads. You know, we're not feeling that heat because we have a lot of trees on the sides of this highway. Oh, a beautiful sunset in Pathankot. We have just reached Pathankot. We are in outskirts. Another 5-6 kilometers we're taking right to join again NH44. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we are entering officially to Jammu and Kashmir. This is the gateway of Jammu and Kashmir. Record ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. But the free lane, toll lane, all the lane. So now we are officially in Jammu and Kashmir. Alright. ಜೇನ್ ಕೆಲವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಟೆರಿಟರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಯುಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಜಮ್ಮು ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ, ಜಮ್ಮು ಮತ್ತು ಲದಾಖ್, ಲೇ ಮತ್ತು ಜಮ್ಮು. So the temperature is getting dipped. Now it's 28.5. Early this morning or this afternoon it went up to 38. If I'm not wrong, now it's an ideal time to ride. Good time to ride. Could be a less traffic in Jammu. Not sure. But yeah, we need to explore and see. We came on a VIP lane. So the first owned Triumph Tiger Rally Explorer entering into German Kashmir. ಹೌದಾ ಮುಗೀತು. ಟೂ 96 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು ಇವಾಗ. I don't know why it's showing 296. 300 ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ. We have crossed 300 mark also. I don't know why it's showing again 8.5 hours, man. Seriously, I'm not understanding this. BP ಅದು BP. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ. ರೈಟಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು 300 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ 280 290 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಇವನೇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಹುಡುಗ. ನಡೀರಿ ಮುಗಿಲಿ. ಹಾಂ